If you're running a business, let's take a few minutes right now to look at your current lead flow, find where you might be leaking revenue, and see if our solutions make sense for what you're trying to build. If not, you'll still walk away with a much clearer picture of your operations. Sound fair? Let's dive right into the diagnostic. When people find you online, do you actually have a website with a chatbot to catch them, or are they landing on nothing? And when you miss a phone call or an after-hours inquiry, does a missed call text back instantly go out to engage them? Can clients easily book an appointment right on your calendar, straight from your website? And when a new lead comes in, does your phone get notified instantly? If your answer to those is no, you are essentially missing a converting website, a chatbot, and a 24/7 text back system to catch those missed leads. You don't have a way for clients to book on your calendar at all, and new leads aren't pinging your phone with a text alert. Now, look at your reputation. How are you currently handling Google reviews for your business? Does your feedback system automatically send happy 4 and 5-star clients to Google while intercepting 1 to 3-star reviews internally? If not, you're handling reviews manually and leaving those Google ratings completely to chance. Finally, when a new inquiry comes in, are you chasing them down manually, or do you have an automation set up to handle the follow-up? Knowing that these gaps are likely costing you clients right now, imagine what it would look like for your business if all of that ran completely on autopilot. What if you could hand that entire operational burden over to us? We'll build out your converting website, your 24/7 text back, your calendar booking, and your review engine, and manage it month to month so you can just focus on your craft. If you're ready to put your lead flow on autopilot and take those headaches off your plate, contact us, humanbrainbox.com, or click the link in the description to get started today.